The party was nice, the party was pumping.
Hey, sit. Hey, Sir Willie, come here. Sir Willie, come. Sit. Come here. Sir Willie. Sir Willie. Come here. Stop. Hey, come here. Come. Sir Willie, come. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. That's a good boy. This shit done came loose. Good boy. Good job. I'm tired of this goddamn dog always having his nuts dragging across my goddamn truck. Who you think you is? This dude just be living his whole best life. You hear me? Got your nuts all on my bed. I don't told you about that. He's locked in. We gotta watch it. Had to do a potty break and a food break. We love to watch ourselves, as you can see.
Anything yet? So I'm just gonna
Tell us, Sir Willie, we watching us.
Waffles and eggs real quick. Good morning.
He locked in.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is a new day. Today is Tuesday.
So really, you watching your mom?
15th.
Is you watching your mommy?
I'm currently in Jackson, Georgia.
You so cute.
I did stop last night, parked. I did not.
One thing about Sir Willie, he gonna drag them nuts. What is wrong with this dude? Why is this dude laid out like he done worked all goddamn day? Like he been driving behind the steering wheel. This dude is crazy. I can't.
To make sure it's all there. You feel me?
Look at him. He like watching my vlogs.
And still ain't nobody behind me, so we all good.
He like watching the vlogs.
All right, got my fuel. So Houston, we have a problem. Sir Willie needs some food, and I need to get to a Walmart or a Dollar General. That's okay. I guess we'll wait until they come out then. Why they don't have it separated? Most of them do. Right. Come on, let's go. Jasper. Come on, let's see. Let's see how this works. Let's see if they'll be nice. Uh-oh, Sir Willie. They're like, shit. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Sit. Sit. Hi. Wait. Let me see. Come on. Hi. You're cute. How you doing? Is this a little happy one? Hi. Hi. What's up, friend? Come on. Relax. Come on. Do too much. You got a little snacky snack at Subway.
What you doing, Sir Willie? Why you running that fast? Huh? Sir Willie, go run. Sir Willie. Look who's at the dog park this morning. At his favorite place in the whole wide world. You guessed it, Loves. Sir Willie, you having fun? Go run. Go run. This nigga really know what that be when I say go run. My guy. So Willie got some company coming. Look at him. He don't know how to act. Be nice, Sir Willie. Sir Willie, be nice. You gonna be nice? Come here. Come. Sir Willie. Come here. Relax. Look. He like, I like this one. Come here. Sir Willie. Sir Willie. He ain't trying to hear nothing I'm saying. Hey. Look at him. Sir Willie, come. Come on. Hi. Sir Willie found a friend. What the heck is going on? He acting like he's so invested in what's going on outside. This dog crazy. What's going on out there? What's got you trying to drive? What's going on? So Willie, what's out there? What's going on outside? Can you get off of me? Get off of me. This is a human, first of all, in a dog's trapped in a dog's body. Look at him. This is a human trapped in a dog's body. I'm convinced this is an old man in a dog's body. For Willie. I'm convinced that this is a human being trapped in this is an old man trapped in a dog's body. Look at him watching TV. I'm convinced. This is not a dog. Look at him watching TV. He's into it. Look at him.
Thank you, Mrs. Scrubbit. You and your husband have been so kind to me. Husband? Make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me swim, make me harder.
He was nodding off. Sure, Willie. He's like obsessed with my feet. Keep licking them. I had to spend some time with my guy, Sir Willie. Say hey to your family. They missed it, you buddy. Y'all wanted to see Sir Willie so bad. Here he is with his bad self. He need a grooming and he need a bath. Don't mind all that. Say hi to your cousins. Y'all wanted to see y'all nephew. Here he go. Say hey, Sir Willie. You gonna say hi to your cousins? You're not gonna say hi to the cousins? They want to say hi. Who wants you to say hi? One thing he gonna do is be all in my damn space while I'm trying to damn drive. So Willie, get down. That's Sir Willie. Still at his being himself. He's getting big too. You get a little size on him. He like to ride on my lap while I'm driving, as you can see. Don't be all in my comment section talking about, oh my God, that's so dangerous. Chill, okay? Best. Got his nuts all over people's floor. Hi. Say hello. No? No hello? You're not gonna say hi to your cousins? Say hi. Just got his nuts all on the floor. Told ya.
Sometimes I call him and he'll answer.
Mm-hmm. Look at your nuts on this camera. That's crazy. They are shiny. Stop. No, for real. You cool? Is you cool? Is you cool? What are you doing? What are you doing? You still throwing up on yourself? Nasty. Told y'all he think he a pit bull.
Yeah, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking them all? Ay, ay, walking the door. You know what happened? We step on the floor. Ay, ay, coming from more. You don't want partners, you already know it. Ay, ay, come on my to it.